Hello everyone, this will show you display charts like this using Chart.js in React.js. Yeah, let's start. Here I'm going to use this React Chart.js 2. So copy this and install in your project. In my case, I already installed this package. Okay. After that, I'm going to import this. Okay. So copy this and paste after this. In my case, I'm going to display bar chart. So I added bar chart. I'm going to copy that. After this, here I'm going to paste that bar chart and close that. Okay, here I'm going to pass data. Yeah, here we are going to pass some data to this bar chart. Yeah, this is official Chart.js documentation. Okay, here go to setup. Here we are going to display this labels. Okay, so here I'm going to create one const. Sorry, and this is chart data. Here inside chart data I pasted that labels. Here I'm going to pass value a b like this. Okay, here I'm passing just two values, and after that I'm going to pass this data set. Okay, after that data set, this is an we need to pass everything inside the array. Okay, and inside array data set, we are going to pass this label. This is what we see here, this value. Okay, here you can pass anything. Here this is demo, and after that you have to pass this data. Okay, here you can pass value in it. Okay, here I'm going to give 3000 and another b value is 2000. Okay, and yeah, you can give a background properties also. Here you can give background color to each and every bars. Okay, here I'm going to give, you need to add an array first. Here this is gray, and after that here purple, and first I save this and I'm going to copy this and paste it here and go to browser thing. We will not see anything. Yeah, we need to import one more thing. Here import, here I'm going to import chart.js /auto, and here I'm going to pass chart as chart.js, this one, and I'm going to save this. Go here. Yeah, we got bar chart. We need to import this, then only we will see the charts. Okay, here we got all value. Okay, and after that you can pass the border color also, and here I'm paste it, and here I'm going to pass black, and here I need to add a comma here. Yeah, I'm going to refresh the screen. Still we didn't get any border, so I think we need to add a border width, then only we will see the border color. Sorry, we need to pass this value inside array, and here I'm going to give border width is 2. Yeah, here we got border color, and yeah, here you can increase the border width also. Here if you give 10 means border width is increased, and you can give multiple colors. Here to add a red or something. Here a color is added, but it's not good, but I just show you how to display, how to use border property. And yeah, here I'm leave it as black. After that, yeah, I'm going to use the same data for a before that I'm going to reduce the size of this. So here I'm going to cut this. I'm going to add a div here, and this is div, and here I'm going to add a style property. Here I'm going to display, I'm going to add a width is 400. Save this. Yeah, here it's displaying like this, and after that I'm going to duplicate this for 2 more time. This is I'm going to display, these are all charts types. Okay, here I'm going to display, this is line, and you need to import that. Yeah, this is line, and here chart, right, is also over chart react chart.js to property, and here we got chart like this. Okay, here I'm going to display everything in one row, so here I'm going to add a style and display. This is flex, and save this. Here we got value, we got chart like this, and you can reduce the size also by using this width. Here I give 300, and I'm going to refresh. Yeah, this is what we get, and you can pass value like this, and yeah, you can use chart.js like this in React.js. And if you want more detail, you can see here official document. Yeah, that's it for this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.